welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about the bed, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to make your bed look very fluffy, full and cozy. If you're in love with home decor as much as I am, you guys, you watch my channel, you know how much I've transformed this bedroom, guys. So I know I always film like, you know, maybe refreshing my bedroom and all those things, but I haven't really delved into how I love to make my bed, especially if you love making your bed look really luxurious, or if you like that hotel feel, you know, that hotel style feel in your bedroom. I'm definitely going to show you guys. Of course, we have different styles of making up the bed, guys. Sometimes if you're not really in the mood like myself, sometimes I just throw everything on and just stretch out the bed. I'm talking of those days you really want to get your bed like looking as if you're in the hotel, guys. First things first is to go ahead and put on your mattress protector. As you guys can see, this mattress is, I wouldn't say brand new, it's over a year old, but what actually helps me a lot when it comes to making sure my mattress like keeps staying brand new is getting a mattress protector. As you guys can see, most times my kids always spend time in our bedroom, and of course I have a 2-year-old, and sometimes he might like get on the bed with his juice and, you know, something like that. So of course I always love to go ahead and protect the bed. And my bed is a king size bed, guys. For some of you wondering, this is a king size bed, and of course the mattress protector, I love to get it in a size I love to size up. At most I love to get the correct size, which is a king, or I do a Californian king. You guys know Californian kings are, they are kind of bigger than, or you know, larger than a king size bed. I'm that kind of person that absolutely love investing in high quality beddings, because you guys know 9 out of 10, what am I even saying, 10 over 10, 100 over 100, we're always, you know, on our bed. Of course, after a long day of work, you want to get to your bed and you feel very comfortable, you feel very luxurious, you know, that hotel like feel. That is exactly the look, or what I always have in mind whenever I'm thinking about my beddings. And this one is from Brooklinen. I have their sheet set and also their duvet cover and their pillowcases, guys. And of course, Brooklinen is a luxury sheet bedding company that specializes in luxury home goods to elevate your home. So they have, you know, different beddings, they have sheets. So I have their classic hardcore bedding set right here. It comes in of course a bedding sheet, extra pillowcase and a duvet cover, guys. So I'm gonna first of all start with the fitted sheet. Let me see. A very perfect rule of thumb is whenever I'm making up my bed, guys, I always like the tagline to be on the right. You know how sometimes when you make up a bed, you notice like the longer side is misplaced, you know, you don't fix it well. But a very easy rule of thumb is to go ahead and just put the place with the tag towards your right. It makes it very accurate for you to get the perfect fitting for your bed. You guys know it's absolutely important to invest in high quality bedding that not only feels good, you know, but they also last for a while, you know, they last for such a long time. Just touching this, you can feel the softness. I'm gonna go on with the flat sheet. This sheet comes in a 270 thread count weave for that hotel feel, hotel like quality. Make sure everything is nice and tucked in. I wish you can feel the quality. It doesn't just look great, but it feels really great. Like it feels really soft to touch. Love it. Of course, for my flat sheets, you know, I don't make it to be so perfect, because we're going to go in with a quilt. They made it so much easier when you can get it in a bundle, and you can also mix and match colors. Of course, what you guys can see here is white, but they have other colors on the website. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the quilt. And if you're like me, guys, like I don't like making my bed like from the beginning to the end every single day. So the easy way to do it is to kind of layer your bed. It gives it that hotel feel, and also it makes your bed last for maybe a couple of days, maybe 2 to 3 days. I mean, you would always have to stretch it, but you don't need to kind of start all the way from the beginning to make your bed, you know. That's the reason I absolutely love using a quilt. Tuck it in, make it nice and neat. I have a coupon code from Brooklyn, and if you're interested, you're gonna get, you know, a discount using my code. I'm gonna display it on this screen so you guys can see. All right, so next I'm gonna just go ahead and fold my fitted sheet. I'm just going to take a little part of the fitted sheet. This is another thing that I really don't enjoy making my bed sometimes, because of the fact that, I mean, I have a king size bed, unlike a queen. You know, with the queen you can be in one side and make up the bed, but with king you always have to shuttle back and forth and that alone is an exercise on its own, to be honest. So I love to go in and just fold my quilt, just fold it into two. You know how they fix the bed, you know, in a hotel when you visit. You just do it and then you tuck it in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my pillow, and my pillow is a king size pillow, guys. This is where the real magic is, guys. If you want that full and fluffy looking bed, you either go in with a comforter or with a duvet. The only thing I love about duvet is the fact that, you know, you only just need the filling, you know, you just need the fiber for the duvet, and you can just go ahead just like you do with your pillows, you know, with your pillow and pillow cover. So a duvet cover is like a pillow cover that you can always get it in different colors, in, you know, different styles, and you just have just one filling for it, and that way you're able to save on, you know, on space. Because you guys know, just imagine having to buy comforter every single time. Maybe you want to change up the look of your bedroom, you have to go and buy a comforter. Like, imagine how much space you're gonna take, you know, with a comforter, unlike just using a duvet cover. Oh guys, one thing I also love about duvet covers, you know, duvet, is the fact that they have this very nice weight, you know, to them. I mean, particularly this particular duvet, you know, of course it doesn't feel hot. You know how sometimes when you're in a blanket, you know, it can be really, really hot, but this one, it just keeps you really, really, like, very, very cool. I just like to fold it. I go 1, I go 2, and then I go 3, and this kind of gives it a very good volume. I love how fluffy, you know, using a duvet makes the bed feel like, it gives it that very nice fluffy look. You guys, you see how fluffy the bed looks? This is just what I absolutely love about using a duvet. Like, it gives it that very nice, luxurious, fluffy, you know, cozy look. I love my bed to be very, very fluffy, but not the type that would make me feel hot, you know. Then of course you can go ahead and put on your pillow charms. Because of the fact that my bed is a king size bed, so I'm going to be using 3. But for queen, of course you can use 3 also for queen, or you can use 2. I just love having lots and lots and lots of pillows on my bed. I'm using a 26-inch pillow. I also love to layer, like, I love to layer my pillows. So I use 26, 24, 20, 18, you know, you go from up to down. Of course, you can go in with your decorative pillows. I'm using this very nice neutral pillow. Of course, it all depends on you. If you like a lot of pillows on your bed, this is a king size bed, so you can use up to 10 pillows, you know. I just want to add this too. Last but not least, guys, don't forget your throw blankets. You can either lay it on the bed, or you can just put it right on the foot of the bed. You can do it the way you guys can see me doing it here. You can definitely put your blanket like this, or I'm going to show you guys another way I love to do it. Another style I love to do is just put it right like by the feet of the bed. You just put it by the feet of the bed. Just kind of rumple it up a little, just to make it fluffy. So here we are, guys. This is exactly how I love to make up my bed. This can last for 3 days, 4 days. To complete the whole hotel feel, don't forget your room linen spray. Oh, this smells so good. I just love to spray it like on my blankets, my pillow. It gives the room a very nice, you know, smell. I prefer kind of spraying my room spray on, you know, on the pillows than spraying it on the air, because it just, you know, evaporates. But when you spray it on like your pillows, your throw blankets, even your bedding, like when you lay down, everything just smells so good, and also it lingers for such a long time. But of course, if you don't have a linen spray, you can go ahead and put on your candle.
It's a remedy, remedy, remedy.